Experience timeless comfort and iconic style with the Nike Air Max 90. Visible air cushioning, durable construction, and bold colorways designed for everyday performance and confident streetwear style.
Adidas Samba, classic, versatile sneaker crafted for style and performance. Timeless design, premium leather, and a gum sole for comfortable everyday wear. Wear history on your feet.
Let's open this. Wow, this Z Fold 6 5G folds open to a huge screen. It's super fast, the cameras are amazing, and the design is so sleek. I love it.
All the ads you just watched were created with one stunning AI tool. And guess what? I made every single one of them using nothing but the product link. No camera, no editing, no filming, just a link. This tool instantly turned those product pages into high-quality, realistic video ads that look like they were shot by real creators. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Higgsfield.ai's Click-to-Ad tool, a crazy powerful AI feature that turns any product link into a professional video ad in just minutes. No editing skills, no script writing, just paste a link, choose a style, and boom, your ad is ready. Let's get started. First, go to Higgsfield.ai. Once you're on the home page, you'll see different AI tools you can create with. To access the Click-to-Ad feature, scroll to the Apps section and click on it. Now you'll see several options, but for this video, we're using Click-to-Ad. Click on it to open the tool. Inside Click-to-Ad, you'll see the main headline, turn any product into a video ad. And the process is broken down into 3 simple steps, which are 1. Add your product link. 2. Choose your ad style. 3. Generate your video. That's all you need to do. I already have a product open on Alibaba, the Samsung Z Fold 6 smartphone. I want to make an ad for this product. I'll copy the link from Alibaba, go back to Higgsfield.ai, paste it into the link box, and click Continue. Before moving to step 2, Higgsfield performs several automated tasks. 1. Connecting to the product web page. 2. Extracting product images. 3. Detecting brand colors. 4. Locating the logo. 5. Processing product details. And 6. Finalizing the product kit. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Processing is done. Higgsfield automatically picked the best 3 product images, detected the brand colors, and captured the logo. Everything looks correct, so I'll click Continue. Here you'll see different ad presets. For this product, I'll choose Unboxing Style because I want the ad to feel like a real product unboxing. Next, choose your video quality. Standard costs 38 credits, High costs 100 credits, and the Premium costs 175 credits. I'll choose High quality so the video looks crisp and professional, then click Generate Video. Higgsfield starts generating your video. It usually takes 2 to 5 minutes or up to 10 minutes for high quality mode. Just wait, and your video will be ready soon. The video's ready, let's watch it.
Let's open this. Wow, this Z Fold 6 5G folds open to a huge screen. It's super fast, the cameras are amazing, and the design is so sleek. I love it.
Wow, this Z Fold 6 5G opens into a huge screen. Super fast, amazing camera. This looks absolutely stunning. Clean visuals, smooth transitions, and a super realistic voiceover. This is something you could actually pitch to Samsung. That's how professional it looks. Click the 3 dots for more options. You can enhance video quality, delete video, download video, create another version, and edit product kit. Your full library is saved under Browse Assets, so you never lose any generated ads. Next, I'll test it again with another product, the Nike Air Max. Copy the product link, paste it into Higgsfield.ai, and click Continue. While it processes, you'll see a mini game, press space to play, but I'll just wait. Higgsfield selected the best 3 images again. The logo didn't auto-load this time, so I uploaded it manually. Click Continue, choose Unboxing Style, select High Quality, and click Generate Video. While the video is generating, I will want us to create another ad manually. At the end of the video, I will teach you how to get your videos generated back if you lost the page, so stick till the end so you don't miss it. Now let's create an ad manually. No product link needed. I'll use the Adidas Samba. Enter the product name, Adidas Samba. Short description, Adidas Samba is a classic sneaker from Adidas suitable for both men and women. Upload 3 product images and upload the logo. Click Continue. For this demo, I'll choose the product story style. Switch to high quality, then click Generate Video. The video is ready, let's watch it.
Sneaker crafted for style and performance. Timeless design, premium leather, and a gum sole for comfortable everyday wear. Wear history on your feet. Adidas Samba, classic, versatile sneaker crafted for style and performance. Timeless design, premium leather, and a gum sole for comfortable everyday wear. Wear history on your feet.
Adidas Samba, classic versatile sneaker, premium leather, timeless design. This looks like a real cinematic ad, super realistic and extremely high quality. It looks like an actual production crew shot it. Now let's check the Nike Air Max video in the library. Go to Browse Assets, select the Nike ad and play it.
I finally got the Nike Air Max 90. The visible air unit and classic silhouette are comfy, stylish, and perfect for running and everyday wear.
The pacing, the transitions, the voiceover, everything looks professionally produced. Higgsfield Click-to-Ad is honestly one of the cleanest and most powerful AI ad creation tools right out now. You can create high-quality video ads from a product link or from scratch using just 3 images. It's fast, simple, and super realistic. I've added the Higgsfield link in the description. Click it, sign in, and try it yourself. Which product do you want to turn into a video ad first? Drop your suggestion in the comments, and I might create a tutorial using your product next. See you in the next one.